Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to report a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version right from your PC. Whether you've come across something inappropriate, misleading, or simply violates X's rules, this quick guide will walk you through every step of the reporting process with the latest update. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all options smoothly. Once you're logged in, start by navigating to the post you want to report. This could be on your timeline, on someone's profile, or even in a thread. When you've found the post, look for the More icon. This is the small three-dot symbol usually located at the top right corner of the post. Click it to open a drop-down menu with several options related to that post. From the list, select Report Post. This will open a new window where X will ask why you want to report it. You'll see a few different categories such as spam, abuse, hate speech, or misleading information. Choose the option that best describes the issue. After selecting your reason, X may ask for a few follow-up details or examples to better understand your concern. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and when everything looks correct, confirm your report. Once you've completed the process, X will review the post. You'll usually receive a notification once the platform has taken a look and made a decision. Reporting helps keep the community safe and ensures that everyone can have a more respectful experience online. And that's it. You've successfully reported a post on X using the latest web update. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more quick tutorials like this one to stay up to date with new feature changes and settings on your favorite platforms.